Okay guys, tonight I'm gonna make moti vegetable juice. I got bell pepper, I got chopped carrots, I got kelp, I got cucumber, and I got a celery. Reason why I'm gonna make that moti vegetable juice because yesterday and today I will make celery juice. I make yesterday, I didn't filter, it's very hard to drink. And I make this morning the celery by themselves. I filter. Oh my god, it's so easy to drink and I love it. This is my favorite. And I make this morning celery juice, right? And I decide to make moti vegetable juice. Guys, I want to show you. This is gonna be my dinner. And you know why I have to do this? Because when I drink the celery juice 2 days on the road, I feel so good. I feel like my stomach so happy. I feel have energy, and it's calm down my nerve. You know why? Because I am working on the food truck. I'm so busy. Customer love my food so much, and I just get so busy. They're coming like 10, 20 at the same time. I have to serve the lunch, to cook like crazy, and I sometimes I just get tired when I give up to do my business. You make so much money, make so good money, but the more you make, the more you prep. That's why it make me tired. And now I come home. Last night I decided to make a Sunday drink. Man, I feel so good, but it's very hard to drink because I didn't filter, right? But today I filter. Oh my God, that's my best drink forever. If I love celery, so why I don't go on this all vegetable I have. The reason why I wanna do this because this is in my food truck. I do salad, right? I serve salad. This is all the vegetable I serve them. Oh my, I love it so much. And I got everything good green on my truck. Why I don't make healthy drink for myself? So I'm gonna go ahead start doing that. Okay, guys, I'm gonna show you. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead throw this celery in here because I'm gonna make for two people. If I don't finish, I drink tomorrow, so I don't have to do it. So I'm gonna go ahead throw this celery down. I got that in, and I'm gonna get my bell pepper in. All of this in here, and I'm gonna go ahead put the carrots in here. When you blend it down, it's not gonna be too much because they're gonna be juice. And I'm gonna go ahead put the collard green. Oh, I love the collard green. This is every day I make salad for my customer. So delicious. I love it. I love collard green. So I'm gonna go ahead put the cucumber. I'm gonna bring it down and then add on some more later. I can bring it down. So okay, look guys, it's all everything in here. Okay. Okay, this is spring water. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the spring water in here. I'm gonna bring it down so I can add on my cucumber in here. I'm gonna go ahead and just start it. This is the Brentex, very good machine. I've been spending this almost $500. This, but long time ago. This is like almost 10 years, still good. I'm gonna go ahead, go smoothie. All right, it's just 1 minute done. I'm gonna go ahead and throw some more cucumber in here. Yep, I'm gonna go ahead and throw some more in here. Just blend the same time. I will show you how to drink this because when I do this morning, I love it. That's the reason why I have to make moti vegetable. All right, I got everything in.
Me and Cecil, we do the wine
All
thing.
right.
We've been,
All right, that's finished. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna go ahead filter, because when you filter, you can drink better. Believe me, drink uh, refreshing. I'm gonna go ahead. This one right here, the filter right here, guys. You can go to Thailand market. Okay, you buy $2.99 or $3.99, and it's very good filter. You can use over and over and over. It takes time to filter because very thick. I like to drink my very clean the filter like a, when you filter like this, refreshing. I smell so good. Smell all the vegetables, guys. To drink this, and you don't have to eat. And I believe you're gonna lose some weight, because I proved myself. 2 days ago, I just suddenly only I feel so good. So why I don't go ahead just make more tea vegetable. Just make more tea. So I'm just do it right now. Look at the juice, a lot of juice right now. Wow, so green, powerful. I can't wait to eat this, to drink this, guys. I cannot wait. Okay, if you want some more juice, all you have to do, just squeeze. And squeeze the back like that. Look at the juice coming out. Look at that. Squeeze. Awesome, guys. I believe it's going to give you a more power and energy. And tomorrow morning coming, you can rock and roll, do what you got to do. For me, I work in food truck. I stand up for 2 hours, 3 hours, serve customer. The more you busy, the more you serve the customer. So I have to make this drink. And reason why I do this, because I got all this vegetable in my food truck. I gotta go ahead, just do for me then. All this time I never do it. So when I do it, I love it. So I have to add on more. I can't help it. Addicted to this now. Well, try to squeeze out the best you can. Look at that. Look at that. Try to squeeze out. It's so easy. It's not hard. And you enjoy to do this one too. If you love it, it makes you energy. You enjoy to love it. Believe me, you don't mind to do this. I don't think so. You mind to do it. It gives you all the power you need. And all the goodness in here. I think gonna make you good eyesight, and then have a hair grow, and losing weight, not hungry at the same time, and digest all this thing, good stuff. All this thing, good stuff. And you see that this is all the filter I have now. I'm gonna take it off. I'm not gonna eat this one. Look at this. Wow, I'm not gonna eat this. This is the the vegetable poop, say like that. Look, I'm not gonna eat it. I'm gonna throw away. It don't worry about that. A lot of vitamin don't worry about. Just throw away, because the key is right here. Oh yes, look at how nice and green, guys. Look at that. You can drink until tomorrow. You can make that one time. Look at nice and green, powerful. Oh, healthy looking to me. I can't wait to drink this. Okay, guys, I'm just wanna show you. I'm gonna go ahead. Just to fancy this drink, have a cocktail of vegetable juice. Gonna go ahead. Here we go. Look at that. Oh, this powerful green. Look at this. My goodness, I cannot wait to drink. Like I show you all the vegetable I got. Look at this. Crazy. And I don't finish tonight. I drink tomorrow morning. Give me more energy so I can go on and work and make some more money, guys. And feeling good in my body. This is good for your tummy. Oh my God, this is so good. Look at this, guys. Oh my God. You don't believe this. Crazy awesome. Oh yes. Look at this. Wow. I'm gonna try for 1 week. I let you know, see what happened, right? Because I have a lot of good stuff anyway. I'm gonna try like more multi vegetables, so it can give you more energy. And I'm gonna keep going. I'm not gonna stop because I feel like I'm tired to eat meat, this and that. I just wanna go ahead, empty stomach, and drink the good thing, good in and good out. How about that? Good in and good out. Tomorrow morning I'm gonna clean out like crazy. And when you empty your stomach, you feel good, feel like a brand new person. If you don't clean out, oh my God, that's nightmare. You clean out, brand new person. You can go jump out and do over again. That's why I want to share with you guys. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and drink this. I'm waiting for you. I cannot wait to drink. Look at this, powerful green. Okay, hon. Cheers. Cheers for good in and good out. Good for your guts and good for your tummy. There you go. Let me know. Oh man, that's so good.
Delicious. Who said that vegetable juice is nasty? They're crazy. This is delicious.
Empty. Look, if you want some more here, or you can drink tomorrow morning, okay? This is leftover like halfway. Oh, this is so good. I'm gonna keep going whole week. I'm gonna share with you guys right now, okay guys? Alright, thank you. See you later. Bye.